check out our shirt on Teespring.
Hello folks, I'm opening a 2021 Topps Gallery Hobby Box. Let's see what kind of buried treasures I find. Really kind of neat cards you can get on the side. And get the little label thing, because Topps going to lose their license pretty soon. So this is what the packs look like. There are 4 cards per pack. Oh, Bo Jackson. Gotta get a word. Print. Last one. Don't know much about that guy. So, what kind of cards can I collect? What teams guys follow? Bo Jackson. I mean Reggie Jackson. Mookie Benz. Oh, he's smiling. For Karen Garrison. Played a great year with the Giants. You guys probably could take his place. Yeah, Bosey's place. Here's some of these. Back to scissors next time. We got Bob Gibson. Ooh, look at this. Master of the Craft. I don't know. Here you go. Next one, friend proof. Got to keep track of the card to open. Rub it in. Aaron him. Trevor. Oh, Mike Trout. That's cool. That's good. The rookie card. Proof. Jose. One. Oh, cool. One. Raised little cockatoo man, but yeah, it's fun to watch. Brings personality into baseball. People get mad. People show a little cockiness. There you go. Rookie card. Whoa, look at this one. That's cool. Artist by Josh Trout. That's cool to have. Rookie card. And that's appeared to be it. Well, like and subscribe. Let me know. Maybe I'll do better next time. Thanks for watching.